Let's unwrap this. We have poles, we have legs, our extension legs, bed itself. Good afternoon, everyone.
Now we are unboxing two different things from the two different stores. We have the camping bed from Temu and we have two -5 degrees sleeping bags from the Decathlon.
Our first item is camping bed. Let's unwrap this. There is first instruction page and, like always, carrying bag. Inside this bag we have poles, we have legs, our extension legs, and the final item is bed itself. It is 1.9 meters long. Setup is very easy to make. The first thing first, you are taking these poles, like this, and the second poles is same. Okay, the next step is taking this pole, and if you rotate here, you can see the first hole, and you take and slide inside it, like all the way down here. It is like building a tent, but it is much easier. After you finish this, you just push it inside here. This is the first pole, and the second pole is the same. You have to put and push. And done. Then you are rotating it. Take these legs and just connect in two sides. You push the button and open the legs. Open the, I don't know this name, like this, and the final, and push all the down. Okay, so it is good. The important thing you have noticed, this metal plate, it has to look down. It is important. It is the same process. You just, like I said, this is going to down, and then this side, like this. Press the button, leash this, and this. And again, press all. There. This is the hard part of the construction, and the easiest part, two leg each side, but you have to push down. You are going to hear little click like this. And done. Our camping bed. The next item is sleeping bag, which we bought from Decathlon. If you check instruction, it is a -5 degree, but we never tested because we bought it new. So it's like this. I mean, it is sleeping bag, you know, there is nothing construction about it. It's a normal sleeping bag. The important thing is it is telling the truth or it is just cheating us. I mean, -5 degree. We will test it today and we will see. Today video is over. We are unboxing sleeping bag and camping bed. Actually, we have 2 of them for unboxing. Only one is enough, I think. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe our channel.